year and 9 months, I think. You know, this Captain Hook.
Call that nigga Captain Hook.
Alright, welcome back for another video. So, not only am I giving you an update on my hair, but I also want to show you that I got these new whatchamacallits to do my hair. I haven't given myself a retie, not only because I lost the needle, but also because I'm lazy. I'm lazy and I like how my hair looks when it's technically considered old. But yeah, so I ordered a couple of different things that I may not try one of them on my own hair, but regardless, but you know, the needles that you usually use to do like the interlocking, they are huge. I don't think you understand, like, especially like when you're trying to get that last rotation in there, them mother ever hurt. So I ordered me a little pack off of Amazon. Yeah, period. Of a variety of pack of the needles. And you know, as usual, I had to get it in gold because for some reason I turned into a gold girly. So look, it came with a number of different, it came with 8 different varieties of needles. So let me show you. So this one, okay, never mind. I thought they said the sizing on there, but it doesn't. So here's the first one. This look big. Like, that's gonna hurt. This is for like the bigger locks. Then there's a smaller version, which is this one. So for comparison, there we go. Without me in it. Comparison, that's those. And then there's one more that's like triangle shape, which is this one. And this one is the smallest of the 3. So we have these ones, which we're gonna call those the triangle ones. We have this one off, you know, this Captain Hook.
Call that nigga Captain Hook.
Why can't I ever just be serious? Baby, it's curved. The rest of them are curved as well, but these ones are curved up. So the biggest one of the ones that's curved up is gonna be this one. So this one has a curve to it, but this is the sizing. The next one in that size is gonna be this one, which is this one's like more triangled, where this one is slimmer. And then we have these 2 very tiny ones. This one is still curved, but it's the smaller of these ones. And then the final one, this one is a little bit different. This one is still curved, but it's very, very thin, and it has a triangle.
What are you? An idiot sandwich.
It has a diamond for the opening, which I think, I don't think my hair fits in there. Oh yeah, it fits. I'll probably just have to like alternate through the sizing or whatever. So the other thing that I got, so this is a tool that people have been using that has like this hook on the end, and then this side is just a smaller hook. So you're supposed to be able to like stick it in and like pull your hair without doing like the whole loop it through or whatever. So I saw people with it and I want to try it, but I don't know. Cause this one's plastic. The reviews did say that it broke. This is from Amazon as well. But so right here on this little thing, there was like a piece of plastic that stuck out that I knew was gonna like grip my hair. So I used a nail file and just filed it down so that this is flat and smooth. But yeah, so that's it. But I don't think I'm gonna do like a have y'all see me retie my hair. This is really just a checkup. I don't know where I'm at. I think I'm at like a year and 9 months, I think I'm at a year and 9 months. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and do my usual thing when I be flipping through my hair and all that jazz and do the comparison, and then I'll probably see you again after I get done doing all this hair, because recording me doing this and doing my hair is just, it's a lot within itself. Then my phone be running out of memory. You know what it never was? That's serious. So okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Also, we do occasionally do the I try a lock Pinterest style, and you can tag me in some of the ones that you see that you want me to try, or you can send them to me. Hit me in the DMs on any social platform. You see something on TikTok? Send it to me on TikTok. You see me on Instagram? Send it to me on Instagram. Okay, all right. This is party in the front, work in the back. It's like 3 a.m. on a work day. I just want you to know for context. Whatever time it is, I don't know anymore. I finished my hair. Look at that. Sometimes when I do my hair, I can't help but to be like, I still wish that I did them smaller. But realistically, I would not be able to maintain that myself. Yeah, I'm just putting some water and avocado oil. This is my hair. Let me move this thing over. I'm gonna do the whole flip through or whatever, and then we'll go from there. And then hopefully I'll see y'all in the next video. I don't know if it'll be about hair. Probably not. But look, it's getting so long. Okay, well, let me do the flip through.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again.
Thank y'all for tuning into this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Until next time, besties. And you better answer when I call you back.